Ever felt frustrated by low sales despite endless efforts? You're not alone. Businesses everywhere struggle to convert traffic into revenue. But what if you could turn visitors into loyal customers effortlessly? Conversion rate optimization, or CRO, is the game changer you need. It transforms your website into a powerful sales tool. Imagine doubling your conversion rates and significantly boosting your revenue. Why is CRO essential? 1. Enhance user experience and keep visitors engaged. 2. Utilize data-driven insights to fine-tune marketing strategies. 3. Achieve impressive ROI by optimizing every interaction. What sets CRO apart? It's all about continuous improvement. It's not just adjustments, it's a strategy based on proven results and insights. From A/B testing to AI tools, unleash the full potential of your marketing efforts. You now have the tools to turn your website into a conversion powerhouse. Don't let your visitors slip away. Start applying what you've learned today. Visit our resource library, and take the first step toward transforming your online presence. Act now and watch your business thrive.